Hi, welcome to my channel, NMRP Yoga, and today we will work in Warrior 2, how to do Warrior 2, especially for beginners. Let's start in the front of the mat with your feet hip distance apart. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Send the right leg back and make an alignment between your heel to heel or heel to arch, front knees bend, vertical alignment in your front chin, and extend the arms to the side, opening the hips to the side. Stay here, breathing, gazing forward, arms are extended. Remember, this is a warrior pose. How can you make this as a warrior? Stay here and breathe. Inhale, now you exhale, come back to the front of the mat, other side. This time you send the left leg back, heel to heel or heel to arch align, front knee bend, back leg extended, chin vertical, and front chin vertical, and then extend the arms to the side. Gaze forward, and you breathe here. As a reminder, this is a warrior pose. How can you make this as a warrior? Press the sole of your feet into the mat. Arms are completely extended. Breathe. And then come to the front of the mat. Inhale, bring your arms up and back. Exhale, hands to heart center. Thank you.